Woodworking can be one of the most satisfying and creative hobbies anyone can pick up, especially when you're crafting something both beautiful and functional with your own two hands. But if you're just starting out, the world of woodworking might seem intimidating, filled with complex tools, big machines, and intricate techniques. The truth is, you don't need a fully equipped workshop or years of experience to create amazing wooden pieces. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kuki Decor. In this video, we are focusing on mini woodworking projects that are beginner-friendly and functional, using basic tools and affordable materials. These projects are perfect for those who are just stepping into the world of woodworking, or even for experienced crafters looking for quick, practical builds. From phone stands and key holders to mini shelves and decor accents, every project here is designed to be simple, doable, and rewarding. So, whether you have a garage workspace or just a small table to work on, let's dive into these mini woodworking ideas that will get your creativity flowing and your hands building. Getting started in woodworking doesn't have to mean building large furniture or buying expensive equipment. In fact, some of the most rewarding and accessible projects are small in size yet full of creativity and function. Mini woodworking projects for beginners are perfect for learning the basics of the craft without being overwhelmed. These projects are ideal for anyone new to woodworking, especially those working with limited space, tools, or time. They allow beginners to explore simple cutting, assembling, sanding, and finishing techniques while creating something practical and beautiful. When you think about woodworking, you might imagine building tables, cabinets, or beds. But these large-scale projects require complex tools, a workshop, and advanced skills. That's why starting small is such a smart idea. Mini woodworking projects can be just as satisfying, and often more so, because you can complete them in a short time, see immediate results, and begin to understand how wood behaves. You'll gain hands-on experience in measuring, cutting, joining, and finishing, all essential skills for more advanced work later on. One of the simplest and most functional mini projects is a wooden phone stand. You can make it with a small block of wood, cutting a groove at an angle to hold your phone upright. Add a notch for the charging cable, and you have a perfect companion for your desk or nightstand. This project introduces you to basic sawing and sanding, and it gives you something useful you'll likely use every day. Another easy and useful idea is a wall-mounted key holder. Cut a small piece of wood, smooth the edges, and attach a few metal hooks. You can paint or stain it, or even use a wood-burning tool to add decorative designs or quotes. It's a straightforward project that teaches layout and finishing techniques, while giving you a beautiful and organized spot to hang keys, masks, or pet leashes. For those looking to add both charm and function to their home, a mini floating shelf is a great beginner project. These shelves are usually made from a single plank and mounted using brackets or hidden supports. They can hold candles, planters, or small decor items. Making a floating shelf teaches you about measuring for level installation, securely attaching brackets, and achieving a clean, modern look. Plus, they look fantastic in bathrooms, bedrooms, or entryways. Another very practical and educational project is a desktop organizer. You can design it with compartments for pens, paper clips, sticky notes, or even your phone. This small box-style build introduces you to layout planning, joining wood pieces at right angles, and gluing or nailing for stability. A well-made desktop organizer is not only useful, but also adds a handcrafted touch to your workspace. Candle lovers might enjoy making wooden candle holders. These can be as simple as a small wooden block with a drilled-out center to hold a tea light. You can use different woods to create a rustic or modern aesthetic, and you'll learn how to use a Forstner bit or hole saw safely. Adding a finish such as tung oil or polyurethane gives the holder a polished look. These projects are excellent gifts and can be sold at craft fairs as well. Wall-mounted mason jar planters are another beginner-friendly idea that mixes materials and styles. Attach a mason jar to a small wood board using a hose clamp or metal strap, then mount it on the wall. Fill the jar with herbs, flowers, or fairy lights for a charming piece of vertical decor. This type of project helps you learn how to securely attach different components and is perfect for small space gardening. A popular and functional item for the kitchen is a wooden tablet or cookbook stand. With just a few angled cuts and a couple of small boards, you can create a stand that holds your tablet or book upright while you cook. It's a handy way to follow recipes without getting your device messy, and building one introduces you to basic angle cutting and joining techniques. If you'd like to explore vertical organization further, try making a mini pegboard organizer out of wood. Start with a flat wood panel and drill evenly spaced holes across the surface. Insert wooden dowels into the holes to create customizable hanging points for tools, accessories, or decor items. This project requires careful measuring and drilling, but it results in a highly versatile and functional product. Beyond individual projects, it's also important to understand the basic tools and materials you'll need to get started. Fortunately, beginner woodworking doesn't require an entire workshop. Basic tools include a handsaw or jigsaw, a hammer, a drill, clamps, measuring tape, and sandpaper. With just these tools, you can accomplish a wide variety of projects. As you progress, you might invest in a power sander, a circular saw, or a pocket hole jig to expand your capabilities. Start with softwoods like pine or poplar. They are affordable, easy to cut, and widely available at home improvement stores. These woods are also more forgiving, which makes them great for learning. As you grow more confident, you can try working with hardwoods like oak, walnut, or maple, which offer beautiful finishes and greater durability. Finishing techniques are also a key part of woodworking. After you've sanded your piece smooth, you can choose to stain it to enhance the natural wood grain, paint it for color, or seal it with a clear coat to protect it. These steps not only improve the look of your project, but also ensure it lasts longer and stands up to daily use. One of the best parts of working on mini woodworking projects is the satisfaction of completing something with your own hands. You're not just learning technical skills, you're creating objects with meaning, beauty, and function. Each small project builds your confidence and skills, preparing you for larger or more detailed builds in the future. Plus, you get the joy of seeing your work used in everyday life, whether it's holding a phone, organizing a desk, or adding warmth to a wall. These projects also make wonderful gifts. Handmade items carry a personal touch that store-bought gifts can't match. Imagine giving someone a handcrafted wooden key holder with their name burned into the surface, or a set of personalized coasters for their new home. These thoughtful gestures are appreciated more than you might expect, and who knows, your hobby could even grow into a small business. In the end, woodworking doesn't have to be intimidating or expensive. By starting with small, practical projects, you open the door to a creative and rewarding hobby that allows you to express yourself while learning useful skills. Whether you're crafting to decorate your home, give meaningful gifts, or simply enjoy the process, mini woodworking projects offer a world of possibilities that anyone can explore. So pick a project, gather your tools, and start creating. There's no better time than now to discover the joy of working with wood, and there's no project too small to make a big impact on your journey as a maker. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new videos. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.